Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the AI dialogue scene feature in CapCut PC. So CapCut just dropped an amazing AI feature. This tool will let you generate realistic talking scenes automatically using AI voices, characters, and background animations. So it's perfect for YouTube shorts, storytelling videos, or AI skits. So here I'm going to show you where to find the feature and how you can create and use the feature. So you can just open your CapCut PC and you'll see at the interface at the dashboard in here, there will be this AI dialogue scene. So you can make the character in a photo talk, sing, or react. Let's just click on the features in here. Now you can just upload the character photo. You can click on this button and choose the character. For example, I'm going to use this one. And then you can enter the dialogue or add audio if you want character sing. I'm going to just go with dialogue. Okay, like this. And then you can choose the voices. You can preview it first by clicking on the options.
Yeah. Hey, how are you? Hey.
Here, for example, I'm going to use this one. You can now just click on generate and let CapCut create the video. So CapCut will applying the AI dialogue scene. You can just wait. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.